The same are POE. If we look at the density, or arcing content, built-in content, or non-photovoltaic and photovoltaic grade, they have corresponding indicators. Photovoltaic grade generally also have, regardless of the melt density. Arcing content. This it has correspondence. But the photovoltaic grade, it pursues a few points, and ordinary non-photovoltaic grade POE is different, such as it is the pursuit of a yellowing resistance, not after cross-linking yellowing resistance, but their own yellowing resistance must be better than the ordinary photovoltaic grade. Is one. The second is his volume resistivity. Ordinary grade volume resistivity. POE is basically in the 10 of 15 times. If the photovoltaic grade, like Dow, they can do basically 16, 17 times. That is, you can understand it is 10 times higher times to 100 times higher. This 10 times to 100 times how much difference? In fact, on the final impact of a pit is quite large. It's quite large. This 1. Anti-yellowing. 2. High volume resistivity. 3. Low crystal point. It is to pursue high transmittance. These 3 points are often, not universal. POE immediately replace the